This week I will be showing you how to draw this picture. Two parrots on a branch. Let's get started, shall we? So let's begin with a number. We don't usually start to draw a picture with a number. It's a big number, but it only has one digit, the same digit, repeated. A 2. And another 2. And again. And one more. What number is that? 2222, of course. Okay, so this is the start of our picture. Notice how all of the 2's join up. That's quite useful. We're actually going to extend that line all the way through and put another one underneath it like that. That's going to be the branch that our birds are sitting on. Alright, so then we're going to join that one to there, and join that one to there, and then we put the heads on, and let's do the beaks next, curving beaks. Eyes, and let's move down here and do feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. The little, maybe just the back of those wings poking out underneath like that. We could change the shape a little bit so they poke out. And the tail feathers, well, they can be different shapes. It can be one with 2 things like that, or it could be 1 point like that. It's up to you. And it's also quite fun to have some feathers on the head. Something like that, or it could be something like this. Just going back to the eye, we're just going to add in extra bit there. So let's begin with a black marker to outline everything. Next thing is to carefully erase the pencil lines. You can colour your parrots with whatever colours you like, but how about we do this first one? Well, I'm going to do this first one with red, yellow and blue, like a scarlet macaw, of course. Your parrots can be any colour you like. If you want, you can look on the internet and look up some different parrots from different parts of the world. You could look up different macaws. You know, there's not just a scarlet macaw, there are other. are other kinds of macaws with different colors. Or you can just make up your own colours. It could be an imaginary parrot, could be an imaginary rainbow parrot. There we go. If you wanted to continue working on this picture, you could have some background detail. You could have like a green background to look like leaves, or you could make the branch kind of branch off and put some leaves on the branch if you wanted to. I guess if you did them smaller, you could have more detail of a tree. You could add speech bubbles. Maybe they're talking to each other. Or thought bubbles, you know, when the thoughts are in a cloud. What are they thinking? Maybe that could be fun. What are they thinking when they're looking at each other? Is this one thinking, cool hair? And this one's thinking, I like your colours. Or, yeah, like I say, speech bubbles or thought bubbles. You could add something to the picture that way. Okay, well, have fun making your art, and don't forget to share your work on Google Classroom.